Let's do it in the middle of it and then cut it out and put it in front. Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journeys. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. And I got a star on my eye, so my eye is swollen. So ignore that. Act like it's not there. If you can see it, you might can't even see it. Today, I have replanted my tomatoes. The ones I left in here in the greenhouse. I put the dome on them. It got too hot. They burnt. The roots are probably still good. I don't know if they're going to grow or not. So I dropped some more seeds. I had some that I was soaking in water from my seeds from last year that I harvested from my tomatoes. So I planted some of those. Well, only the Cherokee pepper was the one that was in there, so I put that in there. But I do have some mystery plum. They're mystery plum because I don't know what kind of plum tomatoes they are. I got a Mr. Stripey and I got a mystery slicer. So I'm actually getting ready because I have a little bit of extra soil out. So I'm actually going to put a little bit of soil that I had left in one of these little trays, and I'm gonna go ahead and plant it. I don't even know if I done my intro. I don't. Anywho. Okay, put some soil in here. And what I'm going to do is turn y'all down a little bit. And maybe y'all can see down here. Maybe. Can y'all? Sun's bright. Yep, y'all can see down here. Alright, I got 6 cells. So I'm going to put the 3 that I didn't plant. I already planted the Cherokee, so I'm going to put 2 in each. And I don't have no label thing. They downstairs. They upstairs. It's still, it moved. Yeah, it's still doing it. And I'm just going to get the seed out, keep it going. I don't even know if these going to work. They've been sitting in this forever. So maybe I need to put two in each one. Probably not, but I am. Lord only knows if they're gonna come up. Oh, that sun feel good on my back. It's warm today. It's 68 degrees. After last week it was 10. That's Georgia for you though. Okay, Mr. Stripey. I might have a tag for that. For some reason, I remember seeing a tag for Mr. Stripey. Probably not. Okay, got that from the store. That's now the sun burning my leg. For real life, like my leg about to catch on fire. Let me plant my flowers. I'm out here planting tomatoes. I don't see no. I see a tiny tin, which I said I was going to plant something. Look at that white butterfly laying them worm eggs all over everything. No, I ain't got none. Not now one. But I'm going to put this here so I know that's the front. And then I ain't going to mess with it. I know I had to watch the video back. I don't know what I done planted. Alright, that was the which one? That was the Mr. Stripey was the first one. I wonder if I got a pen out here. I don't see that one of them either. So Mr. Stripey was first. And then do the slicer. 2 slices first. That helicopter, whatever that is loud. And I'm gonna put 1 seal of that plum tomato, because when I tell you that thing grew and grew and grew and grew again, you don't need but 1 of them. But I'm gonna plant 2 in case one don't come up. None of these might not come up. They've been in this water forever. Alright, let's get 2 from out of here. Look at 2 contestants. One, 2. Alright. That's it for the mystery plum. And now Tiny Tim, we're gonna put 3 in here. We're gonna put 3 in the green stock. And I already put them on top. These little Tiny Tim dwarf tomatoes. They do good in the green stock. I didn't put none in there last year, but I had some in there the year before. This year, I just remember how tomatoes growing all out everywhere. They just blew away. Okay, I got 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's it. We're gonna put these with the rest of them, and then I'm gonna take y'all and I'm gonna go in the garden and I'm gonna drop some spinach seeds somewhere. So let's go do that. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna sit it right here, because this is where I put more seeds in there today from them other tomatoes. You see how they burn up? The roots are still good. You can see right down at the roots. They still looking good, but I don't know if they're gonna bounce back from that. So we're not gonna wait on it and see if they do. Then I'm gonna have 800 tomatoes. I'm gonna give some away. But for now, let's get this little pig thing, and we're gonna go. Some lettuce there, so we're gonna put some spinach right here. Let's move you in the front. Just gonna drop 2 rows like they lettuce. We got bones there and giant noble. I'll probably just drop this giant noble. I mean this blooms there, because it's already open and out on the night. Mercy, girl. That was not what I was trying to do. I was trying to spread them out. If they want to grow in a patch, they can grow in a patch. I done grown that way before, and they did just fine. Because I couldn't come again in the spinach. I got any left? Hope the birds don't come and get them. They be watching you like a freaking hawk, and then they come over here and eat up all your seeds. They see one, they will get it. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna water them in. So, let's get some water. Still got those going. Those look good. Still got the peppers coming up. They ain't died. I've set them out here in the sun. But let's get a water jug and get some water. I got some rain water in here. Tomatoes right there. I put some sweet potatoes. Okay, somewhere. I think I'm gonna put some right here too. I love my little stick thing, but put some right here. Oh, my crazy tail probably have. What? I don't think so. Hear them birds. They telling everybody she out here planting some seeds. We ain't gonna need too much of that no more. We really not. So let's cool them up. Like they won't be able to do that. They might not. That's everything in the bowl. Water that in. Alright guys, that is it for me. For my little break. So I just wanted to come over here and get some sunlight, plant some stuff. Thank God next weekend it's daylight savings time, so we'll get more sunlight. But for right now, we gotta take what we can get, which ain't much, but it's something. It's better than nothing. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the very next video. Bye bye.